Sebab ini baik, yo ada kami dekat Malaysia.
Ki khatsan Hajar Ngut ki Nonghikai school. Hameglaya. Kladon hapedeng ke jengpem sngan syuk ke kam ke Jongki. Hadin bagi Iing Bishar Supreme Court kelapan mi ke hukum babarok ke Nonghikai ki bedon ha ke kam. Kideben pendep ke teacher eligibility test hapo ke Arsnem. Menteri Ketenak Puli Putih Jong Kejelau Bak Lakmen Rumbu Laong Babarok ke Nonghikai kideben pendep ke teacher eligibility test kat hukum Jong ke Iing Kashari Supreme Court. Ulong batang kitu Nonghikai ki basa setang sansnem ke por ban Shong that no on pelat na kajing don kaman pas ke test hinreikin om yo syuk pat ke jengkiu kerdan ubak rembui ulam menjur ba ke nikaan ke sakta ke jing terekam jong ke sorkar kumta ke sorkar kalapan jemut lang na ki association jong ki Nonghikai ki riu syempanga kaan bat kumjo bat ki weipat ki napo ke jela
is compulsory, and that is not only compulsory, it is obligation from the government that every teacher should pass the TET. This decision of the Supreme Court, where those who didn't have TET, they have to acquire the TET within 2 years. And those who cannot acquire test, who could not pass the test within these 2 years, they have to be resigned from their job. But it exempts the teachers who have only left 5 years of service, but they are debarred, not debarred, they will not get the promotion if it is due.
Menteri Bedang Shusha Jit Themai Hakatanat Labour